Hey guys, Daddy Mike here. Today I want to show you the PrimeMall Bladeless Smart LED ceiling fan. This ceiling fan is 22-inch with a low profile. It includes a light that you can change 3 different warmness colors. It has a nice modern look. It's LED, dimmable, comes with a remote control, but also can be controlled with the app. So let's unbox this and take a look at this wonderful PrimeMall model PMTH101. It comes safely packed in styrofoam. All right, guys.
It's not windy anymore.
The instruction manual, installation hardware, 2 AAA batteries, and the remote control. And a thank you from PrimeMall. So this is a PrimeMall ceiling fan. It's called Bladeless, but it has blades inside there, just enclosed. See the nice LED light on the outer side here that you can change 3 different warmness colors. Here we have our lead wire and our neutral wire. Should be very simple to wire up. So we're going to turn this and remove. In here we have a mounting plate. This is our receiver for the remote. So let's take a look at our instructions and see what our first step is to installing this. So the first step is to drill 4 holes . So after drilling our 4 holes for the mounting plate, we're now going to screw the mounting plate on. Okay, we have our mounting plate screwed on. Let's see what our next step is. So now we're going to wire up the lead wire, which is black, and the neutral wire is white. And we're going to use our wire nuts. I'm going to hook this cable right here so I can hang it from the cable like this. Okay, I believe the next step is just put it up and turn to lock it in place. Up and turn clockwise. So you want to make sure your wires are tucked out of the way. There we go. Very nice. Okay guys, so now I'm just going to turn my power on. Yeah. So here we go guys. The PrimeMall Smart Low Profile Ceiling Fan. Let's get our remote control. Let's turn on the fan. It's warm in here today. There we go. Ah, feels good. This fan has 6 different speeds. So let's go over the functions of the remote control. So the upper left button is the power button. It will turn everything off. This button here is a light on off. Then to turn the fan back on, push fan and the number of speed you want. The fan is reversible also. Cool feature right here. This is called the wind guide wheel. Next on the remote, brightness up, and this is brightness down. We see the light dimming way down. Now we'll brighten it back up. K up, that means Kelvin. Right now it's on daylight light. Push K minus, it will go to a warmer light. Here we can see getting warm. Okay, this one is the light on off. And you have a timer, 1 hour and 2 hour timer. And I'm not sure. Okay. This button on the bottom takes it from daylight all the way to the warmest light. So that's kind of nice. Takes you to warmest, and then the medium warmness, and then the daylight lights. Okay guys, so that's all the functions of our remote control. Here we can take a look at the top. See, the fan is inside here enclosed. So guys, the PrimeMall fan also works with the app. You can scan this QR code and get the app from your app store. Now I'm going to pair the app to the ceiling fan. First I need to power the fan off and then power it back on, and then press our pairing button right here within 5 seconds of powering it back on. Okay, I turn the power back on. Now I'm going to press pair. We heard a beep and the light flickered. So the pairing should be success. Try our app, see if we can control it with our app. Yeah, the app is working. There's a brightness control here. Let's try turning on the fan. There's a power button too. And I believe there's a natural wind mode here. This one right here is the wind guide wheel. There we go guys. That's the functions of the app. Very nice to be able to control it with the app also, as well as the remote. So guys, I highly recommend the PrimeMall Smart Low Profile 22-inch ceiling fan.